I am named Jason Jarula, so
No.
a different one. All right, so here's the question now. Is it your responsibility to know the location
we cannot marry
of your partner's
know who
things?
Ja Rule is versus Jason Derulo.
Then it sounds like them are related, so we just want to know.
They're my cousin.
Yeah. So, can I ask the question again?
Only
Is
if
it
you
your
want to.
responsibility to know the location of your partner's things? All right, I don't know about responsibility, and I'm not certain which things you're talking about. So, what kind of things we're talking about?
I
here?
don't know.
No, well, we have to have a discussion about this.
Well, let's do that.
So, what will I know? So, you mean that we're living together? We start there, right?
Yes.
So let's start there. So we're living together. And when you say things, what you mean? Like you must know where like I keep my phone and my shirt and stuff like that.
Apparently, Keon is inspired by her own parents for this segment because she finds that anything that her father cannot find, her mother knows where it is. Can't find his socks? His socks. Her mother knows where his socks are. He can't find his special shirt. Her mother knows where it is. But if her mother cannot find her purse and go to him, he do not know where it is. So maybe the segment should be called, should the woman always know where her husband's things are?
No, but I think that makes sense. I think that makes sense.
Pardon?
I think you should know where my things are and I should know where your things are.
Oh.
Basically. I mean, unless you're trying to hide something, I don't know if I'm supposed to search up the place to find it. But I'm supposed to know where most of your stuff is, don't? I'm asking, don't? I'm not listening to them. I know where them going already.
So disgusting.
Well, Coulson must have something to do with it. I'm sure Coulson has something to do with it. But I have a plan for Coulson. We have an office for him out the gate. No, but seriously.
So do you think your things are my things? So
I'm not certain your things are my things, but
pardon?
I think no, I'm not. That's not where I'm going. Go with that, please. I am saying, all right. So I am. You see me? I am very
meticulous.
Right. So
OCD.
It's easy to find. So if you want to know where my sweater them is, the sweaters are together.
Suppose you say one day you go into your closet to take out that sweater.
Yeah.
And it's not there, but you know you left it there because you put it there yourself.
Yeah.
And then you see me when I come home later and I have on.
I would love that. I would love that.
This discussion is not.
No, I would love that. I said, oh, Summer, you wore my sweater, my darling. This is love, whether you want to know that or not. We can have a sweater we sweat away this morning still, you know. But I genuinely think, no, if you can't find something, yeah, I should know. Depending on what, though. Depends on what. I mean, if you come home and take off your earring and I don't know where you put it down, that's different. But if I know you have a place where you put your jewelry, you understand what I'm saying? So suppose you just come here, you just take out it, and you just put it down on that table, which is not where you would normally. And then when you're ready, you say, hon, you see my earring? And I say, yeah, but look in your jewelry box. And you say, it's not in there. And I say, well.
But is it your responsibility?
I don't know about that word. I don't know about.
Is asking.
I don't know about the word if it's a responsibility. Because I'm not certain. I don't know about the word responsibility.
What, Clyde? Yeah. So you're agreeing that it's a responsibility?
Clive is suggesting that we should know where the keys are. Yeah, we should know, but I don't know if it's
You need to know where to find your socks, your shoes, your undergarments, your overgarments. You must know.
But why that is not strange? Because usually, well, let me speak for myself, but I would think that people, you have a drawer for your socks, and you have a drawer for your underwear.
Not everybody so orderly.
You know?
Why do you think some people can't find the very things they put down, they can't find it? Because they're not careful.
Well, I know where every single thing in my house is supposed to be. The lady who helped me have a way, sometimes she will move a little thing, and when I come in, I say, what they be doing? And then I have to search.
Do you believe it's Debbie's responsibility to know where your things are?
Yeah.
Okay, well.
Yeah.
So then, there we go.
And Debbie look after me, so she know where to put. it is interesting how she look after me because like we wear stuff like every week. So that I don't end up wearing the same thing every week.
It's at the back of the closet.
Right. So if she kind of move them down type of thing.
She plan your life.
Right. She not plan my whole life, but she kind of move them down. So I know if I see stuff here, I just wear it. Is it your responsibility or my responsibility to know where you keep the excess cash? Well, first thing, I don't ever have any excess cash. But if we are married, you should know where my money is, yeah. Yeah. And other things too. There are some important things. There are some very important
documents.
Things. And other things.
Like what?
Well, maybe you need to know, like, where you call it something if you try going on safe. What is that thing?
Code?
Yeah, maybe you need to.
Oh, is it my responsibility to know your password for your phone?
Your responsibility, if we are married, yes. If we are married, yes. If we don't married, you shouldn't even know where my phone is, much less where the password for the phone.
What if we're together?
If we are together?
For 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years.
No, man, if we are in a committed relationship, yes, you're supposed to know the password.
Without marriage?
Yeah. If we're committed, yeah, I gave my phone.
I'm shocked that you said that.
Why?
Actually. Because I'm shocked.
Then if we're committed, we're not committed. We're not married. If we're committed, we're committed. If I don't committed, you're not supposed to know where my phone is. You're not supposed to know.
What kind of phone you have?
No, but if we're committed, what am I hiding? But why would I want to hide? Because if I want to hide something, then I'm not going to commit. But if I commit, then I'm an open book. See me here, honey?
Some people don't like to read. Hey,
well,
shut that book.
No, but I'm being very serious. I'm being very serious.
But you know they say if you want Jamaican people to miss something, you put it in a book, right, Mr. Open Book?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, but those are the people who don't read a lot.
Okay.
You read a lot.
Okay. Oh, okay.
You read a lot.
The best place to hide something is in plain sight.
Right.
You have some very skilled men, you know.
Yep.
Plain
No, but I'm
sight.
serious. If I am committed, then you're free to do anything you want to do. But if I don't committed, you don't want to know where my socks is, I don't want to know where my shirt is, not that. But if you're committed, of course.
Okay.
And you want the password?
No, I'm good, thanks.
I want yours.
Where's we just go to say, where my phone there?
Can I have yours?
No, because we're not committed.
Well, for the next half hour, give me your phone and you take mine. Let me
tell you something. That we need to run that experiment one day because let me tell you something.
Half hour. Just take my phone and I take yours. And then we see we come back half hour and 2 hours later.
Oh no, I would be laughing my head off because everything I've ever said would be proven true.
And I would stay so. Who is Clive, please? And why mailing you at 6 in the morning, please?
I get a few here from one and all one going. So maybe we need to have that talk.
Yeah, we need to
joke, yeah?
switch. No, but it's important in a very serious way. If you are committed in a relationship, then it really should be an open book.
And maybe I'll decide what are the things that are common that you need to know where they are.
Yeah, man.
And make sure that you know where they are.
Yeah, man.
Because Clive is right. One day somebody may call and say, hey, we need to get the XYZ document.
Yeah, man. If you need a passport or something like that, and me a rush and I say, Sim, bring the passport. You can't say,
where is it?
You know?
Correct.
No. So that's
is it your responsibility to know where the light bill is? The water bill?
It depends on who use the light and water bill.
You are wicked.
Suppose you want to be 3 times a year and I only be 1 time. That is water bill is yours. If you want to watch TV till 3 o'clock and me go and sleep at 7, light bill is yours. No, it just means you come to bed with me. Then we turn off the lights.
Wicked.
All right, we're so come. This one don't finish.
I don't.